Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Canva designs not saving. Step 1, check your internet connection. You can test your connection, so visit ASP test website to ensure a stable connection with at least 5 Mbps upload or download speed. You can also switch networks, restart your router, or use a wired connection. Step 2, refresh Canva. But first, you need to save your work. Click the File Save option to manually save your design before refreshing. Refresh the page, reopen your design, go to your Canva homepage and reopen the design to check if changes were saved. Step 3, clear browser cache. So you have to simply clear cache on Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and then clear browsing data. Log back to Canva, visit Canva, and log in again. Step 4, you need to simply check Canva server status. So visit Canva status page, go to Canva status to check for any reported issues and wait for updates. If Canva is down, wait for their team to resolve the issue before continuing your work. Step 5, you can also use a different browser. Switch browsers if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Now, you need to make sure also that you have disabled browser extensions. And you need to make sure that you have saved your design manually. If autosave isn't working, you can manually save your work. So click File, Save, and then download your design. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.